Tired of endlessly staring at charts? Let's dive into the world of crypto trading bots, comparing Gmgn and Photon to see which one can potentially automate your way to profit. First up, Gmgn and its strength lies in its highly customizable backtesting feature. This allows you to test different trading strategies on historical data, helping you optimize your bot's performance before deploying it with real funds. Explore the in-depth charting and strategy building blocks to fine-tune your perfect automated approach. Now, let's examine Photon. Photon boasts an incredibly user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Instead of building strategies from scratch, you can choose from pre-built options, simplifying the setup process significantly. Both bots offer risk management tools, however. Carefully research each bot's specific safety measures, such as stop-loss orders and take-profit levels, before committing any capital. Performance can vary greatly depending on market conditions and strategy. Gmgn's customizability can potentially lead to higher returns if you invest time in optimizing your strategies. Photon's simplicity might lead to more consistent, albeit potentially lower, profits. Remember, past performance isn't indicative of future results. So, which bot reigns supreme? Gmgn is for the experienced trader who wants to build intricate strategies. Photon is for the newcomer looking for a quick and easy setup. Do your research and choose the best bot for you. Happy trading.